All right, guys, welcome back. So I'm making this video because I'm assuming many of us have had issues with these Seaking 40 amp ESCs, and Ironclad actually figured out why, because none of us read instructions. But this ESC comes set at 15 degrees from the factory, and that's a little high, and that's recommended for 5 cells. But if we're running it on 3 cells like we are, you want to set it down to 7.5. So to do that, you can use your controller, and it says you can use a program box, but I haven't been able to get this Hobbywing program box to work with this ESC. I don't know if it's my box, but I've been using the controller. So what you do is you got to have it on, and you have to have your throttle trim set at 0, or else it won't work. And then you'll take your controller and you'll hold full throttle, and you keep that held, and then you'll connect your battery to the ESC, and then the motor should give off 2 beeps, and then it'll give off a musical tone to put you into program mode. And there's the program mode. Now it'll give you a series of beeps, and those series of beeps are to set what program you want. So we want to go to 4 beeps, which is timing, and it just did that. But we'll let it cycle through again. 1 beep, and then when it does that, you want to put it in the opposite throttle direction. So you want to go into reverse. Now you're in timing mode, and it's going to give again a series of beeps to show the timing. And it's going to go through all of these right here. And you want 3 beeps for 7.5. So we'll listen for that. And that was the last one. Now it's going to recycle. 1, 2, and there you go. When it hit 3 beeps, you just press full throttle. It'll give that musical tone to tell you that it did it, and then all you got to do is disconnect your battery, and then you're set. And the next time you connect, you'll be set at 7.5 degrees. And it's that easy. So I hope that helped everybody, because once I found out about the timing being set at 15.5, it changed the game. I haven't burnt another one of these ESCs since then. So I hope that helped, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time.